Hey YouTube, what's up? It's SJ and I'm back with an unboxing today. It is the Cortez Kenny IV. Oh yeah, it's a big box. Let's get to it. Dudes, I'm back and today we are unboxing the Cortez Kenny IV. Yep, the house slippers. Let's get to this unboxing. Now, don't need a knife because we've got these super fast, rippable boxes. Ready? Ah, yeah, it's a big box. It's a very big box. It's a flashy black Nike box. So this is the fourth drop in the Kendrick Lamar Kenny Cortez collection from Nike. Is it a collab with Nike? Let's call it the Kenny Nike collab. What do we think, Mr. B? Yeah, let's call it that. The other three drops haven't come out in the UK, have they? I don't know. It's going to tear over all the boxes. So nice flashy box there. There we go. Let's get to this. So these are the Cortez Kenny, the fourth.
That was three fingers.
No, it's one. It's like that. It's like that. It's like that, people. It's the fourth. Kenny the fourth. Jeez, it's going to be one of those unboxings. These are a UK 6, a US 7, a European 40, and they're in white. Bizarrely, it says sort of fun ball. So it does. It says THUNBL. Okay, no, I'm not making this up. See, camera 2. Flick this round, Mr. B. No, I'm not making it up. See, I'm really not making this up. Let's get to the unboxing itself. Now, on the website, I'm sure these were called they were called chalk, actually. So I'm not sure what on earth the box is talking about, but let's have a look. So this is the fourth drop in the Cortez Kenny collab. And the most radical, I would say. Oh my word. Look at these. Just look at these. Right, I'm going to get the box out of the way. So that apart from it being a glossy box, there's nothing special about the box. So I don't think the other three pairs in the Cortez Kenny collection have been released in the UK. I'm seeing marks already. I did see the last pair, the black Cortez with Damn on in Flight Club back in June, which I really liked, but they were $100 over retail, so I didn't buy them. But these are a bit of a divisive shoe. People either love these or hate these. I mean, they're a bit out there. So these are the Cortez house shoe, and they draw inspiration from LA house slippers. There we go. It's obviously a South Californian thing because I don't recall ever seeing anybody in North California wearing any house slippers that resembled anything like this. But yeah, it's a real radical twist on the Cortez. So let's take a proper close look at this. I'm going to show you camera 2. So let's have a proper look at this profile. Camera 2, now have a look at that. Pretty bonkers, pretty out there. It's like a space agey Cortez, really. Let's take this round to you on sneaker cam, Mr. B. So let's go through some of the details. So you've got a normal Cortez sole, nothing new there, and you've got the white with the orange accent tone here. Then the Cortez itself is made in this sort of, it kind of looks like canvas, but I can't tell whether that's a true canvas or whether it's nylon. So you've got the white, then you've got the grey, navy at the back with this little detail pull tag. Hang your little slippers up as you come in. And then you've got the swoosh switch stitched in the orange as well, and then just the other stitching all in orange. Then on the front here, instead of laces, there's no laces on these Cortez. These are 100% slip-on shoes. You've got house shoes along the top. And this, no, it doesn't come off at all. So it is totally stitched in. You've got the nice detail on the orange strip here with house shoes on it. Now, as I said, when I pulled these out of the bag, there are a few marks on them, see? You picking it up, sneaker cam? Yeah, a couple of marks. But they're kind of bonkers, and there's a few marks on this one as well. Let's have a look inside, see if there's anything special. Because I know on some of the others, there was like extra stitching and stuff. Ooh, oh, oh, that feels really nice. So these have got a totally different insole to a normal Cortez, and I've got several pairs of Cortez. That is leather inside. Like totally leather, whereas the rest of the shoe, as I said, is like this canvas. So it actually says inside, Nike Cortez preferably wear with shorts and tall socks. There we go. Style tips from Kenny there. Can you see that, Mr. B? So I do have some very cool new stance socks. I really can't talk today. It's been a long week, people, a flipping long week. But yeah, I've got some really cool new socks that will look pretty epic with these. And I bought some cool trousers. You know, I thought I'd go for like the corduroy, almost dressing gown, smoking sort of suit type feel to style these up if they fit me, because they do look a bit small. Yeah, they are definitely the right size 6 US 7. Let's take a look in the other shoe just to see if it says anything different. I'm gonna put the paper back in. No, exactly the same, exactly the same. I mean, they are pretty bonkers, pretty out there. As I said, I know these have kind of been a bit of a Marmite Cortez out there on the old social. People either seem to love them or hate them. I think it's quite interesting as well, I've just noticed this, that the tab goes over Nike. So you don't actually see Nike on there at all. You know, as I said, quality's not the best on these, which is slightly disappointing. There is a bit of bleed on the orange on the sole as well. But it's a nice, I actually like it. The thing is, I didn't go in for these. So out of all the Cortez, these are my least favourite from the 4 that Kendrick Lamar has dropped with Nike. So I didn't go in for them last Sunday when they dropped, because I wanted to stay in bed, to be perfectly honest, and didn't want to get up. But Mr. B actually went into the drawer and he got them for me. So he was in the shower and I was like, I think we've won the sneakers, sorry. He was like, no, that's cool, that's cool. So yeah, so I wasn't that fussed, but I do like them. I do like them. They're a lot nicer than I was expecting them to be. As I said, I really cannot talk. What do you think, Mr. B on Sneaker Cam? Are you digging these? Would you rock these around the house in your smoking jacket? I think that's a bit of a yeah. I'm gonna go and try these on, guys. So what do you think? Good pickup, good cop, or not? Should I have taken an L on these? What do we think? What do we think, guys? As always, you know, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think. Did you manage to get these? Have you got any of the others in the Kenny Cortez collab? Let us know your thoughts and comments below. Just want to say a massive thank you again to everybody that has subscribed and everybody that is commenting on our little sneaker channel here. And if you like what we're doing and you haven't yet done so, give us an old subscribe. Give us a thumbs up for this video if you like these, or like what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, to be honest. And don't forget to join us on Sundays for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where both Mr. B and I chat about what we've seen in the news, what we've seen in the sneaker news, what we've been wearing on our feet, and what we've been buying. It's good fun, and that's Sunday, 8 PM BST, which is about 12 PM on the Pacific Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. I really need to get some sleep, I think. Going to try these on, might put my PJs on and just fall asleep because they're my house slippers. Yeah, I'm out of here. But they're house slippers the dog cannot get involved in, because he does have a thing for slippers. No dog. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. See you soon. Bye. What do we think? Can I go to bed now? Can I have a power nap?